woke up really early, or we pretty much didn't sleep at all. We haven't slept in a few days, but we're going hiking. It's the only like sunny day that's going to happen, so it's gotta be today. I'm excited. I'm on that like no sleep high. Also, gotta love Monster. Let's go! Hiking! Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Is this good content? Let's go. Good morning, I'm Morgan.
I'm Harrison.
This is Morgan Please. We're a budget travel vlog. We travel the world even though we're completely broke. Today we are in, well, not Edinburgh. We're actually outside of Edinburgh. If you've been following us, you'll know that we've been in Edinburgh for like 50 years now, but we are outside of it doing a cool hike today. Pentland Hills is a beautiful area of land right outside of Edinburgh. It took us about a 40-minute bus ride. I think it could take you around 20 minutes if you drive, but it's just a beautiful spot with lots of little mountains and hill walks and streams and even some hidden waterfalls here and there. So there's tons of trails that you can take. There are like family trails, easy ones, hard ones, all day, whatever. We are taking one that's going on East Kip, West Kip, and Scald Law, which to me seems like one of the prettiest walks. So we're gonna go up some beautiful mountains, like some really nice peaks, and see some great views. We're also gonna see a waterfall and some streams and hopefully some Highland sheep. And yeah, I'm really excited.
So like we say in every video, we are budget travelers and we spend very little money to travel the world, but how the hell do we do it? We house sit everywhere, and right now we are house sitting for an adorable little kitty named Cosmo. He is this cute little fluff ball who is not much of a hiker, unfortunately, so we couldn't take him with us today. But in us being budget travelers, we are also very transparent about what we spend. So on the bottom right corner, you're gonna see a little ticker. That ticker represents everything that we spend between vlogs, which includes things like Airbnbs, transportation, groceries, stuff like that. You're gonna see that ticker go up right now and throughout the vlog whenever we make a purchase. So how do we get here from Edinburgh? So from the center of Edinburgh, we took bus number 44, and that dropped us off. The last stop of that bus is Balerno, and that's about a half an hour walk from this car park. Now, so we walked from down here and went up this way. You don't want to take the left into the car park like we did.
We went the wrong way already.
You want to take the right, which is why we're turning around right now. And you're going to come over here, across this bridge, and then come up this way, and you're going to start the loop here, go around either left or right, whichever one you want, and then we're going to walk all the way back home to Balerno's bus station and then take bus 44 all the way back.
All right, so it's time to actually get going on this hike. We woke up, well, we really didn't sleep. We haven't slept the last few days because work, but that's okay. We have some monsters. We're gonna power through this hike. We're already off to a bad start because we did wake up early, but it's already like hours later. It's like 11:20. And it's a long hike, so we have to get going now before it gets dark. So let's get going and see the beautiful Pentland Hills, see if they're all they're cracked up to be. Let's go. Excited. Oh my god, we just entered like a gate into the moorland, and look at what we're greeted with. This is intensely beautiful. It's like we're in the middle of nowhere, but we're so close to Edinburgh. This is why Edinburgh is like one of our favorite cities. Can you believe this is just a quick bus ride away from the capital? This is amazing. And look, I'm pretty sure those are the mountains we're gonna hop onto pretty soon. I'm just so, wow. This is awesome. It's like the mountains heard our prayer, and Doja Cat dropped her album recently, so now I have something new to listen to up the mountain. So look, whenever I hike or walk, I love listening to music, and I feel like if I'm gonna do a long hike, because that looks pretty tough, not gonna lie, I'm gonna need some good music to jam out to. So you can see Harrison twerking all the way up the mountain to Doja Cat. We got to our first peak, West Kip. It's stunning up here. Although I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually scared of heights. We got up here, it took a good 20 minutes for me to just like stop being scared. Yeah. The views are just incredible. 360 views of everything, rolling hills, and this is such a beautiful sunny day today. Although it's really cold, it is November. My face hurts. It's better right now that Harris is blocking the wind for me, but
it is very freezing. Morgan's not kidding about that. It feels like my hands are gonna fall off at any moment. And we're only at the first peak. We got 2 more to go down that way. The hike isn't so bad, I think. It's relatively easy. It's very clear, and even walking up the hill, it's pretty steep, but they cut out like little sections that make it into kind of stairs. So it's like really, really simple to climb up, and it's worth it. I mean, you just get up here and you just look around and it's like, holy moly, camoli, jeebus.
Poor Harrison, I know his hands are freezing off. We only have 1 pair of gloves between the 2 of us and 1 hat, and right now I'm hoarding them.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give him the gloves, and we're just gonna continue on. This is so beautiful. It got really windy really fast, and it is freezing now. The sun heard me say it was sunny day, so it went behind the clouds. It's popping up here and there, but like the temperatures dropped immensely once the sun went away, but such a Scottish weather. We went to the next hill, which was East Kip, and now we're on to Scald Law. We think, we're not entirely sure, and there's no like marker about it, so hopefully we're not going the wrong way, because it gets dark in only literally a couple hours, so
we gotta get going.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So we just went over that last little hill, but we're not done yet because we also have a supposed hidden waterfall we have to discover. So we're just gonna go this way, take a hard left, and see what we can find.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away. Never look back, 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 never look back.
At the base of the mountain is Loganburn Waterfall. There's not too many waterfalls around here, but there's this one, which is partly why I wanted to choose this trail. And this clearing we are in now is so stunning. And we're in a race against the time because the sun sets at 4 and it's already going down. But God, this is just so beautiful. I'm still stunned that this is right outside of Edinburgh, the capital. It's crazy. It like feels like you're in the middle of nowhere, like in the Highlands. Alright, so I'm kind of an idiot. I thought that first stinky ass waterfall was the one, and I was like, wow, this waterfall is kind of underwhelming. They looked a lot bigger in pictures. Oh well, I guess Photoshop, right? It was the wrong waterfall, and we walked a little bit and found the real one, which was much more impressive and beautiful. But now it's really getting dark. I think we're gonna spend most of our walk in the dark. Okay. Hopefully you make it. Okay, so we're in a different location. This is a little preview for our next video. We never made an outro for Pentland Hills, but basically what happened was it got dark very quickly and we had to run to get to the bus. It was a whole thing. We were so tired and we had to post a video that day. So we never filmed an outro. So this is our outro. Pentland Hills was beautiful.
Stunning.
It's so worth the little trip.
Yeah, absolutely. If you do take a right in the path, the further you go, the more beautiful the sights get. Like after that first hill, I was like, oh man, this is it. But then the second's better, and then the third's the best, and
then you get down to like a little fairy glen, and you see the sheep and little like bridges and streams and waterfalls, and it just gets more beautiful.
More stunning as you go, for sure.
And like we said, this is only one of the paths, many paths, many parts of the Pentland Hills you can take. It's huge, it's sprawling. We only did a tiny portion of it. So it's totally worth the trip out of Edinburgh. It was a great day. We were very exhausted after the hike, I do have to say. And now we're well rested. And you can see a little preview for our next video. So definitely hit subscribe to see the beautiful place we're at now. And if you are interested,
we do have Patreon.
And PayPal. If you want to support small creators, we appreciate it. You can get rewards like videos and secret videos and postcards and polls and all that stuff. But thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.
See ya.
Dance. Moonlight dancing. He's a witch, get him.